Hello, dear students. Let us continue with arithmetic progression. Practice set 3.2. Question 1. Write the correct number in the given boxes from the following AP. This is your first question. We need to fill the boxes accordingly. First sequence given here is 1, 8, 15, 22. Here A is 1, that is the first term, T1 equal to 1, second term T2 equal to 8, third term T3 equal to 15. Your T2 minus T1 equal to 8 minus 1 equals 7. T3 minus T2 equal to 15 minus 8 equal to 7. Here both the difference is constant, therefore the difference D equal to 7. Next question. 3, 6, 9, 12. Answer. Here the first term T equal to 3, second term T2 equal to 6, third term T3 equal to 9, T4, fourth term equal to 12. T2 minus T1, that is 6 minus 3, we are going to get 3. You can write this after this, T2 minus T1 equal to 6 minus 3, that is, you need to write that. Then T3 equal to T3 minus T2 equal to, that is 9 minus 6, 3. Therefore, D equal to 3. This is your third question. Minus 3, minus 8, minus 13, minus 18. Answer. First term equal to minus 3. Second term equal to minus 8. Third term minus 13. Fourth term minus 18. T2 minus T1, that is minus 8 minus 3. So we'll get as minus 5. T3 minus T2, minus 13 minus 8. Again we are going to get minus 5. Therefore A equal to minus 3 and D equal to minus 5. Next question, 70, 60, 50, 40. Answer. The first term T1 equal to 70, second term T2 equal to 60, third term T3 equal to 50. Here the first term, that is A equal to 70, and the difference between them is minus 10. 60 minus 70 we will get minus 10, 50 minus 60 we will get minus 10, and 40 minus 50 again we will get minus 10. Question 2. Decide whether the following sequence is an AP. If so, find the 20th term of the progression. First we need to decide, students, whether this is an AP, this sequence is an AP. If it is AP, we need to find the 20th term. Let's start. The given sequence is minus 12, minus 5, 2, 9, 16, 23, 30. Your T1 is minus 12, T2 is minus 5, T3 is 2, T4 is 9, and so on it goes. Therefore, T2 minus T1, that is second term minus first term, equal to minus 5 minus minus 12. Minus minus will become plus. So minus 5 plus 12 equal to 7. Here students, you need to put equal to sign, and here also you need to put equal to sign. It is missing over here. T3 minus T2 equal to 2 minus minus 5. Minus minus will become plus. So 2 plus 5 equal to 7. T4 minus T3 equal to 9 minus 2. That we will get 7. As T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2 equal to 7. D is constant. The difference between the two consecutive terms is constant. The given sequence is an AP. Now we need to find the 20th term, students. So second part of the question is we need to substitute our formula Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So we will substitute the values. N is 20th. Okay, 20th term we need to find. So Tn will become T20. A is our first term is minus 12. N 20, the term, so 20 minus 1, D is 7. We have substituted our values and we have written the reason in bracket. 20 minus 1 we will get 19. 19 into 7, 133. Adding 133 to minus 12 we will get, we need to solve it. So we will get 121. What we did, 133 minus 12, we got 121 and we have put the sign of the bigger number. So the 20th term of the AP is 121. Question 3. Given arithmetic progression is 12, 16, 20, 24. Find the 24th term of this progression. The given AP is 12, 16, 20, 24 and so on. A, that is the first term, is 12. D equal to 16 minus 12 equal to 4. Here 24 minus 20 also gives us 4. So we will put our formula Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here n is 24. We will substitute the values. A is 12, n is 24, 1 as it is, and D as 4. So T24 equal to 12 plus 24 minus 1 into 4. 24 minus 1 we will get 23. 23 into 4 we will get 92. Adding 92 by 12 we will get 104. So 24th term of the given AP is 104. Question number 4. Find the 19th term of the following AP. 17, 13, 19, 25 and so on. The given AP is 7, 13, 19, 25 and so on. Here the first term, that is A equal to 7. Difference is 13 minus 7 equal to 6. 19 minus 13 also gives us 6 and 25 minus 19 also gives us 6. So we'll substitute our, we'll write our formula Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Therefore T19, n is 19, A is 7, n is 19, minus 1 as it is, D is 6. We have substituted our values. T19 equal to 7 plus 19 minus 1 into D, 6. 19 minus 1 we will get 18. 18 into 6 we are getting 108. Adding 108 to 7 we are getting 115. So students, therefore the 19th term of the given AP is 115. Question number 5. Find the 27th term of the following AP. 9, 4, minus 1, minus 6, minus 11. Here the given AP is 9, 4, minus 1, minus 6, minus 11 and so on. Here the first term is 9, so A is 9. The difference between them is 9 minus 4, we are getting 4 minus 9 is minus 5. And when you check for the others also, it becomes minus 5. We will write our formula, that is Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. We will substitute the values. N is 27. So T27 equal to A is 9. N is 27 minus 1 as it is. D is minus 5. So T27 equal to 9 plus 27 minus 1 into 5. 27 minus 5 we will get 26 and 26 into minus 5 we will get minus 130. So 9 minus 130 we'll subtract it and put the sign of the bigger number. So we'll get minus 121. So the 28th term of the given AP is minus 121. Question 6. Find how many 3-digit natural numbers are divisible by 5. 3-digit numbers means the numbers which are after 99. Okay. The three-digit natural numbers are divisible by 5 are 100, 105, 110 and so on till we will see 995, because the last three-digit number is 999, 999. The above sequence is an AP. A is 100, D is 105 minus 100, that we will get 5. Let the number of terms in the AP be n. Tn equal to 995. We will write our formula Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Substituting the values, 995 equal to 100 plus n minus 1 into 5. Now n will go to the LHS part, it will become minus. So 995 minus 100 equal to n minus 1 into 5. 895 equal to n minus 1 into 5. N minus 1 equal to 895 upon 5. N minus 1 equal to 197. 179. N equal to 179 plus 1 equal to 180. Therefore, the numbers are 180, the three-digit natural numbers which are divisible by 5. Question 7. The 11th term and 21st term of an AP are 16, 29 respectively. Then find the 41st term of that AP. Okay. Ignore this. Let A be the first term and D be the common difference. So T11 equal to 16 and T21 equal to 9, which is given. We will write our formula Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. T11 equal to A plus 11 minus 1 D. Our 11th term is 16, so we are substituting that value. 16 equal to A, 11 minus 1, we will get 10. 10 into D, we will get 10D. So 16 equal to A plus 10D. So we can write this equation as A plus 10D equal to 16. This becomes our first equation. Similarly, we will write T21 equal to A plus 21 minus D. 21 minus 1 into D. T21, that is the 21st term, is 29. So A is as it is. 21 minus 1 we will get 20. 20 into D we will get 20D. So it becomes 29 equal to A plus 20D. We will write it properly in equation form. A plus 20D equal to 29. This is our second equation. Now subtracting equation 1 from 2, we get A plus 20D equal to 29, A plus 10D equal to 16. As we are subtracting, we have put the sign. 29 minus 16, 13. 20D plus minus 10D, we are getting 10D, and this will become 0 or cancel, we can say. Now the value of D we need to find. 13 upon 10 it will become. Now we will substitute this 13 upon 10 in equation 1. You can substitute in any equation 1 or 2. So we will get A plus 10. Instead of D we are writing 13 upon 10 equal to 16. This 10 and 10 will get cancelled as it is multiplication. So A plus 13 equal to 16. A equal to 16 minus 13, that is 3. Now we need to find the 41st term of this equation, students. So T41 equal to, we got the first term, that is A. So T41 equal to, actually we are supposed to write our formula over here, that is Tn plus n minus 1 into D. So our A is 3, n is 41, minus 1 and D is 13 upon 10. So 41 minus 1, 40 into this. So into 13 upon 10. So 10 ones are 10 and 10 into 40, what we will get? 10 divided by 40 we will get 4. So 4 into 13 we are getting 52. 3 plus 52, 55. Therefore the 41st term of this AP is 55. Question 8. 11. Ignore this 8 students. 11, 8, 5, 2. In this AP, which term is number minus 151? We need to find this. The given AP is 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on. Where the first term is 11, we need to find the difference. So 8 minus 11 minus 3. Let the nth term of the given AP be minus 151. Tn equal to minus 151. We'll write our formula Tn equal to A plus n minus 1D. We will substitute our value minus 151 equal to A. A is 11, n as it is 1, minus 1 as it is, D is minus 3. So it becomes minus 151 equal to 11 plus n minus 1 into 3. 11 will come to the LHS part, so it will become minus 151 minus 11, we will get minus 162 and we will keep it as it is. Now minus 162 equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. So n minus 1 equal to minus 162 upon minus 3. Minus minus will get, when we divide it becomes into positive. So it 162 divided by 3 we will get 54. N minus 1 equal to 54. N equal to 54 plus 1 equal to 55. Therefore the 55th term of the given AP is 151. Question number 9. In the natural numbers from 1 to 10 to 250, how many are divisible by 4? The natural numbers from 10 to 250 divisible by 4 are, that is, we need to find the which numbers are, either you can say the multiple of 4 or divisible by 4, it means the same. So that is from the number 10 to 250. So it will come as 12, 16, 20 and before 250 we need to find, because there are so many numbers, so we cannot write all the numbers. So before 250 it is 248. The above sequence is an AP. Why it is an AP? Because the difference is coming 4 everywhere. So A is, that is the first term is 12. D, 16 minus 12 equal to 4. Let the number of terms in AP be n. Then Tn equal to 248. Since Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is our formula. We will be substituting the values. Tn, that is the nth term, is 248. A is 12. N we need to find minus 1 as it is. D is 4. That is the difference. So it becomes 248 equal to 12 plus n minus 1 into 4. We will be subtracting 12 by 248. 248 minus 12 equal to n minus 1 into 4. 236 equal to n minus 1 into 4. We will be dividing it by 236. 4 by 236 we will get 59. So n minus 1 equal to 59. We will be adding this 1 to 59. We will get 60. Therefore there are 60 natural numbers from 10 to 250 which are divisible by 4. The last question of this exercise. In an AP, 17th term is 7 more than its 10th term. Find the common difference. Solution. For an AP, let A be the first term and D be the common difference. Now according to the given situation, that is the condition given here is T17 is T17 is 7 more than 10th term. So T10 plus 7 it will become. Therefore, A plus 17 minus 1 D equal to A plus 10 minus 1 D plus 7. That is, we are substituting this in our formula. So, A plus 16D equal to A plus 9D plus 7. Therefore, A plus 16D minus, we are taking to this side, minus A, that is the like terms, minus 9 equal to 7. So, we will be taking the like terms. A and A will be getting cancelled because it is the same number and opposite sign. This A is plus sign, this A is minus sign. Plus 16 minus 9D, we will get 7D equal to 7. D equal to 7 upon 7, that will give us 1. The common difference is 1. This is the end of the session. Thank you, students. Stay blessed, stay home, please study and take care of yourself. Goodbye.